Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I will save it later to me today or tomorrow. But what to do? Okay, also clean up my hair. So hello everyone, and it's me, your friend Pratik again. And recently I uploading some videos of my at my YouTube channel of how I am living here, how I am surviving outside the city. The city is quite big, but you have to make your own food, you have to take care of yourself. So it personality development nowadays. And back then when I used to live with my mother and my parents, I used to live with them. So I wasn't much of that habitude. I had not a lifestyle which adapted, which was more like adapted toward more personality development. But now actually I am working on it. I have to work on it because when you live alone, when you live without your parents, you learn how things works, how food works, how you have to work yourself, how you have to take care of yourself. Because I remember, I just remember myself, it is like 9 a.m. in morning. And when I used to live at my home with my mother and my father, and I used to come back from my college, my institute, and coaching or do whatever work. And then I come to my mother and tell her that give me food, and she always used to prepare food for me, and I just eat it. Now it's not like that. It's not like that. I have to prepare my own food, and I'm not sad about that. I'm not sad about that part. But actually it's good. Also, I had always thought of sometime I used to think of like what would a life be when I used to make my own food. So let's see what I am going to make today. I have no formal training in householding, and nor I have formal training in making food myself. So today I am just trying to make some food, and let's see what happens. So you can see, it's not it's unclean, but see, I had this knife, and I put some potatoes and this chili in the boiler. And now I am going to put some rice in it. So what I am trying to do, I am trying to make potato, chili and rice. And I don't know what it will make, but I am trying to make something out of it, and it's quite interesting for me. I had never tried such a recipe, but I am so curious kind of person. So let's see what happens. So I think it would be enough. It would be too much. Maybe it would be too much, or I don't know. 3, 4, 5. So let's see, and put the plug inside. Now we need to find the lid. Okay, so lid is already here, and yeah, last time I made Maggie, and switch is on, and thing I kept it already here. So, and also have to clean the stuff. So the slices of these things have to remove, and I could have thrown out also, but I won't throw because some people here, and when people used to live here and you throw there outside, so you come to know. Let me see. Shoes. You know, life is quite interesting in many cases. Like when I was back in hometown, I was in countryside, I was in village. I used to think like I don't belong here. I need to get something big. I need to become something big, and that was a hurdle, that was a race, that was a hustle I wanted to complete. So life gave you what you want. So life gave me this opportunity, and I'm now in Hyderabad. I'm now in bigger states, bigger, I mean, big towns, big cities. Back again in town and cities. It's not like my first time, but back again in town and cities. So my experience here, it was like, I mean, it doesn't affect me at all. For to be real, it doesn't affect me at all. Whether I be in town, whether I be in a village, I was always same. I was the same Pratik I was, and yeah, the health concern you were showing last time in my videos. For that, I'm really thank you to you, and the food is still ongoing. It's making. I'll upload the second part in which I will show you what it made. So for now, thank you guys. Uh, Stay tuned, and if you want me to give me any challenge, you want to give me any challenge, you can give me any challenge. Okay, I know my subscribers are 37. Maybe two of them are active, maybe five of them are active, but I don't care. Even one of them you are active, I am there for you. I am always active. I am listening to you, and actually I see the comments. Okay, I see the comments. I see who is actually participating in the comments, and you have any task. Okay, task should be, I mean, there should be some limitation to task. You won't, don't say me that go to moon and buy some land on moon. Of course I can't buy land. So give me any physical task or anything, any task you like to help me in self improvement. So I'll do it for sure. Okay, for you guys, I'll be for sure doing the task. For now, it's your Pratik, and uh, okay, bye, take care, and always be happy, be bright.